Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. In this video, we are going to discuss 10th, 11th, 12th bits of this problem 4. Now, in this 10th bit, they have given this series. So, in this series, if you find difference between term 2 and term 1, you will get A. Term 3 and term 2 also you will get A. Since this difference is equal, we can say that this series is in arithmetic progression. And using this value a and value of d, we can calculate next three terms, and these are the values of the next three terms for this given series. If we look at this 11th bit and try to find the difference between term 2 and term 1, you will get a square minus a. Difference between term 3 and term 2, you will get a cube minus a square. These differences are not equal, so we can say that this given series is not in arithmetic progression because there is no common difference between any two consecutive numbers. And in the question they mentioned that if it is forming arithmetic progression, find three more terms. Since this series is not forming, it is not required to find three more terms. Let us now solve the 12th bit. First of all, let us simplify this given numbers. So after simplification, we can write as shown here on the screen. Now, let us try to find the difference between consecutive terms. So term 2 minus term 1, you will get root 2 only. Term 3 minus term 2 also you will get root 2 only. Since there is a common difference, we can say that this given series is forming arithmetic progression. And using this value d, value of a, and using this formula, we can find the next three terms. And these are the values of term 5, term 6 and term 7. Hope you got good clarity on the problems which we have discussed in this video. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.